This is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.exchange. An important announcement. So coming to Mumbai after a long time, 17th and 18th of January 2026, my first workshop in 2026 will be in Mumbai. I think for a long time I have not been to Mumbai. So in January I will be coming definitely. Our Chennai workshop date 24 and 25. Those who are interested can look at the description for the contact numbers and can register. Some observations from yesterday's discussion. So yesterday I said the first trading session in November went very well, but then for the next few trading sessions, market started falling. But this time, yesterday, the first trading session, markets significantly higher, but looks like the rally is likely to continue unlike November series. The GIFT Nifty indicating about 50-55 point higher opening. Asian markets are higher, the US markets are higher. However, today US market is closed for Thanksgiving holiday. Usually, in the absence of global cues, the market gives more importance to the local cues. Although Nifty is opening about 50-55 point higher opening, there are significant things. Number one, yesterday the Nifty closed at 26,205, like 40-45 point higher opening means that the Nifty will take out the last month high. Incidentally, last month high, when I say last month, it's a November month. For us, it is not the calendar month, it's always a series, November series. So, incidentally, the November series high is the year-to-date high also, like 1 year high also, just the 20, around 30 points lower than the all-time high. So now the Nifty might be opening around, this year high and but slightly lower than the all-time high, but we don't know. Once market open, what will happen? We don't know. Some more few observations, let me tell you out of my experience. You keep watching the pre-market report. In pre-market, if they are showing a very big negative, that too, global markets are good. GIFT Nifty was indicating about 100 point higher opening. And in the pre-market, if they are opening very big negative, for first 5 to 6 minutes, then that is the day you have to understand that, these operators are planning to take the market higher and they don't want other people to come and join the party. So they are just bringing in the bearish mode. So that's what exactly happened yesterday. Another observation I told you, the first trading session, market will rally, a decent rally, if the previous week markets were closing at the lowest point. So remember Nifty closed around 400 point lower in the previous week. FIAs, surprisingly, they bought for second straight day for more than 4,000 crore. So in the recent weeks, number one, FIAs have never bought for 2 consecutive trading sessions. Even if they have bought, they did not buy for 4,000 crore. So therefore, all the ingredients are there for Nifty to make an all-time high today. So that's going to be interesting, but all-time high is just only a number, So that number will have to be taken out sooner or later. But the point here is that, how your portfolio is doing. So if I'm not wrong, most of the people's portfolio is still bad despite markets moving higher. Yesterday also you see it is the same set of stocks. Yesterday, 5 stocks hit fresh 52-week high or all-time high. One is Reliance, Axis Bank, State Bank, Larsen and Toubro. So it is the same set of 5 or 6 stocks that took the market higher from 24,500 to 26,200. So it's a select large cap stocks outperformance taking the market higher. So whereas if you look at stocks, broader market, and they are doing not really well, mid cap and small cap especially, so not really doing very well. Looking at the open interest, so one thing I told you, 26,000 put as highest open interest. So 26,000 is going to be a very good support. In fact, that should have been the support earlier also. But last week, once it has broken, it fell more than 100 points just in a single trading session. So that time I told you that probably it is expiry related, issue last 1 or 2 days. So otherwise, 26,000 is going to be a very good support. So that's on the support side. Resistance now clearly 26,500 for this week. Why? Because the 26,200 straddle has been taken by most of the people. That is the highest straddle at 26,200. Incidentally, Nifty closed around 26,200. The combined premium is about 300 points. So which means that, as long as it's Nifty is trading between 25,900 to 26,500. So these people will make some money, right? So by looking at that, 26,500, we can take it resistance for the short term. That is one the next few trading sessions. But for the month of December, I still feel that, if everything goes well, including the US trade deal, Nifty has the potential to touch 27,000. So that is the target for the end of December. So let us see. As I told you, keep watching for the top three stocks: HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Reliance Industries. Reliance hit a fresh all-time high, but ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, they are slightly underperforming, mainly because of this Bank Nifty reject. So otherwise, by this time, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank would have crossed all-time high, and Bank Nifty would have crossed 60,000. So I still feel that 60,000 may be the target for Bank Nifty by the end of this month. So we just started just one trading session. Nifty was up nearly 400 points from previous day's low. So we still have another 24 days, out of which 1 day is a public holiday. So we have 23 trading sessions. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see how the market is going to react once the all-time high is taken out. As I told you, so some of the stocks that are in action will be IDEA, IEX, and PG Electroplast, then BSE and MCX. So these are the stocks which are trading actively in options market, and the option premiums are very, very lucrative. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.